my bus is 1.5 hours late, and now I have reached Rimini. This is our Rimini, and I don't know where to go now, which bus to take. Let's see on map where to go. And so this is the stop where I am out. So this is the first look of my room. It is a very pretty room with one double bed, but this is not a double one. This is a single but attached. So there is a person who arrived earlier than me. Let's see who is him. There, and this is the view which will I show to you in morning, but you can see this is the sea in front of me. So it is very beautiful place, and the shops. Overall, the Rimini is overall a beautiful place. And here I will show you this washroom. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. So this is the washroom. Very nice. Overall, very nice. This is the outside view. Wow. What a window. And the all shops. This is my food for night. Fish with a pane, I think bread. After finding, I got the chicken.
One hour later.
Yeah, so that's bring it out of her.
So this is the view outside our hotel. This is our hotel, and at that side there is a sea.
What's for lunch?
So in today's activity, we are doing all these tasks. We are supposed to do that, and this is my team. So I am assigned a team to do that task that I will later show you in this video. Let's see.
Can you put it louder?
Che confessione, se aspettiamo, che confessione sarà.
Mamma mia, mamma mia! Guys, he's drowning! Guys, he's drowning! Save him! Save him! Save him!
Scusa, non parlo inglese, scusa.
SOS! Acqua!
Come on! So after completing all the tasks, we all go to the beach.
Another day.
So today is cultural night.
Are you making a video?
Yes, I am making a video.
For the group or for your friends?
No, for something like any for my gallery. Yeah. So today is a cultural day for Poland and Portugal. So they are preparing some sort of food and trying to represent.
Everyone should have a mug. Everyone should have a mug. Everyone should have a mug. Okay, we should give shots to the winners of the quiz or like some sort of prize, and then after they can try it themselves.
So pizza.
So like the first choice to the winners are like every question. How many? Oh, you don't have a quiz, do you? You don't have a quiz. You don't have a quiz.
Martha, can you introduce me with this?
Okay. So,
Yeah.
this is panache, which is beer. Can I say? Would you guys need to say this when explaining?
I'm just.
So this is
Yeah.
beer and
Okay.
panache. No, this is beer and Sprite, which makes panache.
Okay.
This is cookies.
Yeah.
This is sweet eggs.
So this
Egg
is a
in like a
sweet.
shell. Yeah.
Okay,
In a
nice.
Oh, this is
Wow.
like pastry. Just
Okay. Okay.
inside. In a lot of sugar, in a lot of. Okay, and that one. Also. Okay, so this is how they are made. Okay, but they're both from Algarve. One of them is very characteristic from Olhão, and one of the other
From so close.
So, Fulari from Olhão, Fulari
Okay.
from Algarve,
Wow.
which is the south of Portugal, and it's
Nice.
sweet and it has cinnamon and it's good.
Wow.
And then this, queijadas,
Queijadas.
and it's sweet and it's good.
I can't.
Everything is sweet and everything is good. Yes.
I can't even name
Queijadas.
quesadas.
Yes.
Okay, quesadas.
And this is cookies.
Okay.
They're called cat tongue.
Okay.
So, faggot tongue. It's like deer tongue.
Okay, yeah.
Deer tongue. Yes.
And
Bulicau. No translation.
bulicau.
No translation.
So yesterday night we enjoyed a lot of food of different cultures and also did a little bit of dance, a cultural dance. And this was the end. See you soon.